to be the realest thing I've ever said. Like, we all go through moments where we feel like just throwing in the towel because the results is not there. People are not supporting, whatever. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, really be honest. You can go to YouTube right now and check it out right now. And the last video I posted, maybe it was a couple days ago, but the last one before that was like 2 months. Like, I almost quit. I almost for real, threw in the towel. I'm going to tell you why. I was in the store and I saw this guy. This is exactly what he said that made me get back on the grind to keep on going. He said,
let you know, man, you are really encouraging me, motivating me, inspiring me. God is really using you to help me out.
What's going on, family? You guys are so amazing. It's your boy, Mr. Aosinspires. This is Aos The Podcast. Now, listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't want to be too hype on this episode. Like, it's hard for me not to be hype, but I don't want to be too hype. You can see from the thumbnail, like, yo, what's your buddy going through some stuff? And I'm really not going through anything. It's just that, man, listen, I'm going to be honest with you and be transparent. This is not going to be long, but we can get to a place in our life where there has been some dreams and there has been some aspirations that we want to accomplish or something that we want to do, and it's not going as planned. I'm gonna tell you this, and it's crazy because I was watching the Kevin Gates. It was an interview that he had, and he was doing semen retention, right? And it's bananas. But one thing that he said, not because of the sex part, but one thing that he said in that interview that really blessed me. Somebody asked him a question. It was like, yo, how do you do that? Like, I couldn't do it. That's what they said. I couldn't do it. How do you do it? He said that when things become impossible, that's when you have to tap into something spiritual. Right. And this is why, being connected to, for me, a body of believers, believing, being a believer in Jesus Christ, or whatever religion that you have, that you follow. Right. This is why it's so significant and so important to be connected, because you get to these moments, right? You get to these moments where you're like, listen, forget it all. I'm done. Like, it seems like nobody believes in you. And I'm gonna be honest with you. My journey, it started, like I told you this January of last year, like, yo, we won't be in this position. Like, it's going to be crazy. And I was serious. Like, I was committed, dropping 3 episodes a week. And I did that for a whole year straight, a year and a half straight. Like, I was going strong. And then it's just, I'm like, yo, this is what I did. I stopped the people I have working for me in Bangladesh, and I just emailed them like, yo, let's get back on the grind. They were so excited to start back working, but I had stopped. I was, yo, I don't want y'all to do my SEOs no more. I want to see something right quick. I want to see if the people really love me. And when I tell you the views went down, I mean, it got depressing. I didn't get depressed, but seeing the results was depressing. Like, I was going from thousands of views to now 40, 50, 20, 30 views, 10 views. Like, do people really rock with the boy, right? And I know y'all saw the tease in the beginning of this video. So I was in the store. This is real story, right? So what we do is we filter all of our videos to Washington, D.C. That's where we at. That's where we reside right now. Currently, we're in D.C. And I had this guy. This is no lie. I mean, no lie. I'm going in there to pick up a salad, and I haven't recorded it. This happened. Listen, literally last week. This happened last week. And I haven't, like I said, I haven't dropped the episode in 2 months. Life has been lifing. Things have been going on in my life that has been lifing, man. Like, it's really been a struggle. Has not been easy at all. Listen. It's been tough. It's been financially, it's been tight, right? So I'm like, yo, I don't have the time to do it. I go out there and grind, come home tired. I'm trying to catch up on this, trying to get, life's been lifing, man. He stopped me. He was like, yo, what's up, man? I'm playing it off like I know him. Like, yo, what's up, bro? He was like, yo, Mr. Aos The Podcast, right? I was like, yeah. He was like, yo, man, keep doing your thing, man. The videos, man, it's really encouraging. I love your episodes. Thank you. I was like, yo, I appreciate it. Yo, I'm walking out the store feeling like a real celebrity. Like, it felt real good. And I'm gonna be honest with you, that moment, whoever you are, bro, if you're watching this video, salute to you. Thank you for that boost that you gave me, right? Thank you so much. And I mean, it's like, it hit home. It hit home for me. Right? Because oftentimes you're in the middle of doing something that you really, 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 really love. but it's not producing the results that you need. And really, let's really be honest. Cut the bull crap. So many people will say, well, if it's your passion and you love it, you'll keep on going no matter the results. No, that's not true. Because at the end of the day, whatever you do, even if you love doing it, you want to see a result. You want to get the fruit from that. I don't want to just keep on doing something because I love it, but I'm not seeing an impactful result, right? I don't want to open up a store because I love being a business owner, but I'm not making no sales and I'm not being able to pay the bills, right? Who wants to do that? Who wants to be in a relationship where there's no love? You don't want to do it. So I'm just being honest. I'm talking to all the people that post on videos on YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff. Like I was doing it. Like I was posting about 4 or 5 reels a day. Right. And it's crazy because I'm still trying to figure out the algorithm. Like we went viral and listen, and I remember when we first went viral, we started going viral on Facebook and Instagram, and it hit on Instagram. And what happened was I was like, yo, we on to something. And then when it went viral on Facebook, they sent us a notification like, yo, you want to be, what did it say? Not a partner. What did it say? Monetized. It was something that they said. You're invited, right? So we got monetized. First month, $300. Let's go. Like we really doing something, and it was still going viral, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, it was doing pretty decent numbers. And, that's when I had the video. I talked about only broke guys moving with women. That's what took off. 800,000. It was crazy. It was like $200,000 views. And I'm gonna tell you this, I guess I haven't figured it out because on TikTok, you got to get to 10,000 followers to get monetized. I think I'm at 6,000, 7,000, something like that. So of course we didn't make no money off of that, but that would have been a nice bag. But anyway, 200,000 views in like 2 hours. I'm like, yo, I'm on to something. And I'm watching the views go up, right? And I think it plateaued at 800,000, something like that, right? So this is the time Instagram doing good. Like every video I post, 10,000, 8,000, 11,000, 20,000, 60,000, 100,000. I'm like, yo. So the algorithm was showing me love on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm like, yo, we doing it. And then eventually I'm posting the next week. I'm start posting again. And remind you, I didn't take no break in this thing. The next week again, no views. 10 views, 20 views, 30 views, 100 views. I'm like, huh? So I'm like, yo, I don't care. Don't worry about it. I'm still posting. So I kept on posting. Nothing. And it's crazy because I had got excited over 500 views. Like, yeah, we got 500. We nope. Still going. So, it's just, and I'm gonna tell y'all this because y'all are my dogs. So what I did was, as any entrepreneur, I try to figure out a way how to pivot, how to reinvent myself. And my best friend was like, yo, what you need to do is start posting messy stuff. And I was like, yo, that's not my brand, right? My brand is to empower the world to never give up, not to be messy. Like I will say some edgy stuff like broke man moving with women because it's the truth and I stand on it, right? So there's some videos that's really edgy, that's considered edgy to some people, but I stand on it. But I just couldn't say anything just to get views. That's not the brand I wanted. So I started the Faces brand, and the Faces brand just took off. Like, and the thing about it is, all I'm doing is posting like hip hop clips from like Orlando Brown, like different podcast stuff. I'm just posting different clips. Crazy. It goes bananas, right? So I start filtering my stuff through that too, and some of y'all seen some of the ads, right? So y'all already, that's my stuff, right? But yeah, man, I had to, do that. But even with that, I'm not making no money off of it yet. And it gets depressing. And I'm just being honest with you. I'm talking to every content creator that's like, yo, I want to throw in the towel because I'm trying to do the best that I can and it's not materializing. But I want to tell you, don't give up. Just keep on going, right? This is the main thing. So many people say, just keep on posting. You'll figure it out. No, you won't. You won't figure it out, but keep on going. The way that you do that, you have to invest in mentorship. And I'm not going to, at the end of this video, hey, invest. No, because I'm not doing that yet. I'm still trying to figure the thing out. I'm still trying to figure out how to navigate through these streets. I invested all this equipment, thousands of dollars, and the quality is dope. But I need a mentor to teach me how to, and I'm telling you now, find you a mentor. So many people are like, oh, you got the money, you spend money. And it's true. Think about the money. Let's really think about this. Think about the money that you'll spend on fast food or going out to eat. Take that money and put that aside. I'm gonna be honest with you. Take that money and put it aside and invest into mentorship if you really want to be successful. A mentor is the cheat code to success. Why? Because they can show you what to do and what not to do to get to where you want to get to. So, just being honest with you, fellas, ladies, I almost quit, but I'm back in the game. I'm back with my videos, back with the episodes, because so many people need to be encouraged. And I just can't stop now. I got to keep going. Your boy is going. I'm gonna get some mentorship too, and I'm looking, because I've researched this thing on my own from YouTube to just watching videos, documentaries. I've gotten to the place on my own right now. Like I'm at 11,000 on Instagram, 10,000 on Facebook, TikTok. We're about 6,000-7,000. Like I did that myself just through my own research. But now, in order to escalate it, to make this thing go faster, right? I need mentorship. But I want to tell you guys, financially, it's tight. I'm be honest with you. You look on social media, like, oh, yo, he popping. No, financially, it's tight. And most people, like even me, I was ashamed. I wanted people to think I'm popping. Nah, I'm trying to figure this thing out. And I want to talk to the regular people that's posting content, that got a camera in front of you, lights, and your podcast stuff. And you're like, listen, I'm posting, and ain't nothing happened. Just keep on going. Invest into mentorship, though. Invest into mentorship. And this is the thing, though, so many people are not transparent enough. You want people to believe that you are rich and you got money, and and it's not about having a sob story, but it's just like, yo, life be lifing. And the thing about it is, when you're honest, somebody, and I'm not doing this video for somebody reaching to my DMs like, yo, here go $100,000. I want to help you out. I'm a mentor. No, I'm not doing it for that. If it happens, it happens. But that's not what I'm doing. I'm doing it to encourage the average person that's creating content that like, yo, I feel, bro. I feel it. Like I feel the exact same way. I'm posting videos, not getting any type of traction. Like I'm trying to do the best that I can. I'm not getting no traction. I'm not getting no views, and cheat code is a mentor. And Fiverr.com. That's your cheat code. Fiverr.com. You get those jokers up there to do your SEOs. That's the search engine optimization. They get SEO your videos on YouTube to be exposed, not to get more views, but it exposes it to more people so that they can watch your content. And I just got to get back on the ball. I'm back on the game. I'm back on my square because I see that people are really listening, right? Even if you have a video that goes viral, just keep on pumping out clips. That's what I say. Just keep on pumping out clips, quality clips, right? You keep on. When something goes viral, that's a great thing, because once it goes viral, some people do that. I mean, when that thing went viral, I think we hit like 5,000 new followers. Right, I think I was at 5,000 followers on Instagram when that thing went viral. I think we hit up to 10,000. Somebody's gonna look at your stuff, and they're gonna go through your. It's nothing better than to have a catalog of when you do things like this. So I'm gonna tell you, watch my journey. This is when this thing is really going to bubble up, when I start having guests. I know this, but it's a few things that I'm trying to get in line financially, equipment wise. Like, I mean, the equipment is not that much money, maybe about $100, more of $100 more equipment that I need, which is not much money. I'm going to get it. And then the time, the reason, I'm going to be honest with you, I have guests. I have at least 20 guests in Virginia right now lined up to be on the episode. They love what we do. They love what we stand for. It's just that, okay, now it's time to get the house note this month. You get the house note, then you get the rest of the bills. And then, by the time you look around again, something goes wrong with the car, then you got to get the car fixed. Now it's just, life is lifing. But follow my journey. I almost quit, but I refuse to do it again. What's going on, family? I want to say thank you for rocking with us during this episode. We have been so excited to drop this episode. I'm glad that you made it to the end. This is what I want you to do. If you have any takeaways from this episode, leave it in the comments. We want to hear your thoughts. We want to hear how you feel. I want to bring content to you that's relevant to you, that'll help you change your life, because you already know our mission here at Aosinspires, Aos The Podcast, is to empower the world to never give up, one conversation at a time, one interview at a time, one video at a time, to help you live life at the next level. This is what I need you to do. I need you to like, subscribe, share this episode. If it spoke to your life, share this episode with somebody. Why? Because you are connected to some people that we're not connected with. And with that connection together, we can empower the world to never give up. I'm Mr. Aosinspires. This is Aos The Podcast. I can't wait to see you next week. Just in case you didn't know, we drop every single week, 3 times a week, Mondays, 8 a.m., Wednesdays, 8 a.m., and Fridays, 8 a.m. You need to catch an episode. Matter of fact, catch all 3 episodes. It's going to be fire. I promise you it's going to help you doing your everyday life. It's going to help you get to the next level. Let's go.